What's up? So it's the next day, the day after I dropped the video about no more videos. So I kind of been thinking about it, man. Like, I got time to make videos showing progress, like, hey, this what we just did, hey, this what I just did, hey. But I cannot show any how-tos, like no how-tos at all, because literally I'm at work on lunch before anybody talk crazy. When I'm doing a how-to, right, see if a job takes 30 minutes, I'm doing a how-to, that job now just turned to an hour at least. So if I'm doing a job that take a day and I got a day planned to do it and I record it, that job is gonna take a day and a half now, or a day and a quarter. It's gonna roll into another day, which is what I hate. Yesterday I didn't record anything, and I waited to the end and show my progress. And I kind of think that's what I'm gonna start doing, because I broke a whole motor down in about an hour and a half, like straight to the block. I got all of my stuff took apart on my box Chevy with the head gasket problem, and all I gotta do is take my bolts out, clean the heads and the block, and smack the new gaskets on. Like, I think I might just do that, man, because if I try to make everything how to, I'm literally gonna drag. So I got a head yesterday by not recording, so I think I'm gonna stick to that. But I don't really know, man. Like, everybody was saying, hey, can't wait to come back. I'm like, man, I might as well just show progress instead of making everything how to. But y'all just tell me what y'all think. I can do that, but I cannot at all record all day. Well, y'all let me know what y'all think. But here's what happened. Like, before I left, when I dropped the truck off, and when I picked it up, here's what happened. 2 days in a row, first time go. Yep. So let me work to get this boy down. She's up there. She up there. Now I'm about to strap the boy down. And I hate people, man. This dude literally parked his truck right there, so I can't come out like without hitting his truck or bumping his truck. Like, I asked him to move it. He act like he didn't hear what I was saying. Like, you gotta walk all the way up in this man's face just to ask him to move his trailer over. Truck over. Dude, pissed me off. I had to back the whole trailer up, turn it and everything, and come down another lane. But finally, I'm leaving, man, to get to this exhaust shop. Piss me off early in the morning, boy. I tell you. Get my seatbelt on, get strapped up. Got me hot. Alright, she's here. Chopped it up. The numbers. I had things situated. Let me get these tips and lock this back door. Jesus Christ. You see that time? Oh my God. Yeah, the middle, it's overinflated. Overinflated. Is that you? Yep. It's here. It's here. I'm about to take off. Just wait on the call. Work on the box while you take care of it. I'm out. What's up, man? Hey, I'm back. I'm kind of not feeling it today, man. Kind of irritated. Man, nothing's going like it's supposed to besides this car. Nothing. So the truck is at the exhaust shop. He told me he was gonna make some progress on it Friday, and it'll be done by today. Today, Monday. Went over there, checked on it at 12:30, which I knew he wasn't gonna be there, and I knew the truck would be outside. And checked on it, nothing's done. So not sure if he gonna try to finish the whole thing in 4 or 5 hours. Well, really 4 hours. He come back 1 to 5. So I don't know if he's gonna try to finish the whole truck in 4 hours or what. So that's irritating. Trying to go on a small vacation while I'm on leave, and I'm not trying to leave while the truck is out. So I need the truck back. I went and tried to get a replacement condenser, and yeah, they told me I had a mismatched part. They don't have it in stock. I went to O'Reilly's this time. Everybody said, go to O'Reilly. I went to O'Reilly's this time, man. And yeah, they said, we'll order another one to be here tomorrow morning. So if I get the truck back tonight, I'm not going to be able to get it till I get back. So I was just like, all right, man. So anyway, I'm just drop the radiator in right now and not bolt it up. That way I can just slip the condenser in behind it, hopefully. But just about to do this, the fuel rail connections for the feed and return. That one wire for 12-volt switch when you key on and off. And then ground wire and the charge wire. Make those, I'll be able to start this boy. I don't like that just irritated me bad, man. But let me go ahead and do something, cause when I do this, man, it's just like a stress relief. I'm at the point where I don't even want to work on cars that much. Like when stuff don't go right, then you gotta tell that to somebody else, or you missing all the times you said. Like that just gets so frustrating. Some people understand, some people won't understand. They're like, you're just like, all right, it's good, man. It's not. That's how the long nights and all that stuff come. But I'm just going ahead and do something, man. What we got? First crank. Oh, the trans fluid. Yeah, I see it. I ain't got no water hooked up. I need to go on here and stop. Back at work. So thought I'd be able to pick up the truck today. And bad news, man, bad news. So the 3-inch exhaust, motherfucker guy said the first bend he made, or tried to make, blew the hydraulics in the bender. So he gonna be out of business for 2 weeks. Literally can't do nothing for 2 weeks. I kind of feel bad for him, but I mean that come with the business, man. And it's the same. It's another exhaust shop with the same exact issue, and they like literally a mile away. His price is way up, man, but that's probably why, because he was working it. But both of the good exhaust shops out of business with exhaust. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. So 2 weeks or so we'll be getting an update with the exhaust, but I'm gonna go pick it up today and then start the alarm and finish doing the wiring for the system. But yeah, man, that's bad news. Kind of don't like that, but it happens. Man, moments like this, stuff ain't going right, that just be like, hey, it ain't meant for you to do this. Cause that's what I be feeling, bro. Like every time, I hate when stuff don't go as planned, or when something could have been like done a long time ago. Like I got a whole bunch of thoughts in my head, like, yeah, maybe he didn't even touch the exhaust at all, or maybe his pipe bender not broke because he told me that at 9 in the morning, but he stayed here till 5 o'clock. Like, you know, I be like, man, this probably ain't for me, or maybe I should start doing exhaust myself, but I'm not buying no pipe bender no time soon, so I just stick letting the exhaust shop do it. But if I get to Atlanta, man, and the exhaust is way more expensive like it used to be in Colorado, I probably just end up start doing it myself, because I have a lift, I already got a welder, got gas. I might just start doing it myself. I actually did full exhaust by myself plenty of times in Colorado. Multiple cars, man. I had a bubble, a white bubble. I did it. I did the blue one from the headers back. I did the van. I did a few, man. So yeah, like I say, if it get expensive, man, I probably just end up going ahead buying a pipe bender in the machine, and then I'll be bending and doing my own exhaust for my own projects and other people's projects who come to the shop. Like, but it won't be offered as a certain day I can do your dual exhaust. But I mean, if I'm taking your car and you get multiple things done and you want exhaust done, then like, hey, I'll be able to do it. But just exhaust by itself, I won't ever do that like that. But I got this other shop I'm about to go to. We got to see what they talking about. He wanted to see the whole car and all the stuff. I don't know why, but I mean, you should know what a two-door Tahoe look like. You should be able to estimate how much pipe. But he want to see the truck, the tips, and the muffler. So about to go ahead over here and see what he talking about. Yeah, so back. I don't know if y'all can see the truck, but the truck back there on the trailer. Probably can't, but it came from the exhaust shop. The second one, they don't specialize in exhaust, but they can do it. And yeah, I just didn't like the way that he was talking. You know, like a lot of people, they so busy, got so much to do, blah 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 blah, that they just talk to you crazy. Well, he ain't really talk to me crazy, but he ain't really talk to me like I'd expect. Like I'm not spending half $1,000 with him. But yeah, and then I told him exactly what I had and what I was trying to do on the phone, and he gave me an estimate that was way lower than what he just told me seeing the truck. Like I said, like, you know what a two-door Tahoe look like, you know what some mufflers look like, and you know what some tips look like. Coming straight off some shorty headers, like, you know what shorties look like. So yeah, plenty of times I called the exhaust shop, or I came up there, they gave me a quote, and then they said, all right, we're doing it for what we told you, because they know, like, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, I told the customer we might as well wait, because they obviously don't specialize in it. I don't want nothing to go wrong. But I didn't see a pipe bender. I didn't see a lot of stuff that I expected to see, seeing that they do this type of work. But if I had to take the truck back, man, we could do something else in the time being while we just wait. But push come to shove, we just have to settle and go there, and that'd be that. But yeah, down in Georgia, man, I probably end up going ahead and give me a pipe bender, because I ain't too much like that. But I'm about to get the truck back, and then record something else, I guess. It's a sad story, boy. I'm so mad. I'm kind of real pissed right now, but that's it. That's it for the exhaust for now.